Hello everyone and welcome back to Glossybox UK's YouTube channel. I'm Rebecca Jones and I'm the social media executive here at Glossybox UK, and today's video is all about the unboxing of our much anticipated limited edition Easter egg. Now, before I get into all of the products, how to use them, when to use them, who they're for, I will be going through a little bit more detail of what the Easter egg is and its worth. Now, every year we launch a beauty Easter egg here at Glossybox, and it's one of the most anticipated limited editions that we do throughout the year. And the amazing thing about this year's limited edition Easter egg is that it's worth over a whopping £198. Now, not just that, it includes 9 beauty products ranging from skincare, makeup, hair care and fragrance from brands you know and love. And I'm very excited to go through each individual product with you so you know exactly how to use them and get the most out of your Easter egg. First up, we're going to be starting off with the skincare, hence why I'm barefaced for you all today. And the first product within the Easter egg is a product from e.l.f. and it's their Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm from the Holy Hydration range. Now, the e.l.f. cleansing balm isn't just a cleansing balm, it's a hydrating holy grail product that you will need within your skincare routine. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, peptides and ceramides, you'll notice an increased hydration level within your skin, whilst also it effectively removing makeup. Now, I've not got any makeup on today, but I am going to show you how beautiful this is on the skin and also how I remove it. Now, I just use a small amount of this product, as you can see. And the best way to do is just warming it up into the fingertips and just really working it into the skin. And honestly, it smells amazing and it just glides onto the skin. It removes eye makeup, it removes eyebrows, it removes foundation, everything. And again, it's just a really quick one-stop product to remove all of that makeup in the evening. And then what I personally like to do is go in with a cloth, preferably with warm water, and just remove it before going in with a second cleanse. Now, the next product that I am going to go into is actually a product we'd recommend to use at night time, and it's from the brand Medicate, and it's their Crystal Retinol 1 Night Serum. Now, personally, I have used this product now for a good, I would say, coming up to a year. And I've actually gradually worked my way up into now using strength 20. And the retinol from Medicate is a perfect retinol-based product. But it uses a different generation of retinol, which is retinol. It gives all the vitamin A benefits as a retinol does. It's exactly like a retinol, but it's a lot gentler and a lot softer on the skin. So if you're looking for a retinol to use at night time to help with aging process, the texture of the skin and also refining the skin and the complexion, then this is going to be a fantastic product to start with. Now, this comes in with its first strength, which is number 1, and it's like a cream gel texture that you apply all over the skin. Now, with this product, we would recommend starting off with using it twice a week and gradually building it up week by week to ensure that your skin accepts the strength of the product to the point where you then are using it every day. Again, use it at night time under your night cream and after cleansing. Always use a serum before your night products. So I've just gone and completed my skincare part by applying a moisturiser and an SPF. Again, usually would recommend using that retinol at night time, but for the purpose of today's video, I am applying it in the daytime under my makeup. But again, we would recommend using it in the evening. Now, the next product that I'm going to be using is from Rodial Beauty, and it's their Soft Focus Glow Drops. Now, whenever we see that these are featuring in a limited edition or a monthly box, we get very excited here in the Glossy offices because they are beautiful. Now, if you've never used these before, they're a hydrating, radiance boosting primer that you would apply either on their own, either mixed in with your moisturiser. You can even apply it directly under your foundation or over the top for that extra radiance, but it gives this beautiful soft focus filter effect on the skin. and really enhances the radiance on the complexion. I disperse the entirety of the pipette into the palm of the hand and then gently press into the skin. And if you can see, honestly, they smell amazing as well. They smell incredible, but look at that glow already. It honestly is such a stunning product if you're wanting that glow, that radiance on the skin, and you're wanting a really hydrated base for under your foundation. It's honestly just simply stunning. What I love also about the Radiance Drops is that it's enriched with niacinamide. It's also enriched with white stargrass and squalene. Now, all of these working together, fantastic for helping to refine skin's texture, brilliant for radiance boosting, and it's really gentle as well, but plus extremely hydrating. So now I've applied the glow drops, I'm going to go in and apply off camera my foundation, concealer, any other products that I need on my complexion before I go in with the next product. So now I've applied my brows and my complexion, there's one more product that I want to apply to my complexion that's within the limited edition Easter egg, and it's from Iconic London, and it's their Lift Illuminous Baked Highlighter. Now, it's incredibly pigmented, so you don't need a lot of this product, but the best way to apply it, I always say, is by shining a light directly at your complexion. So whether that's using the torch on your phone or any other bright light that you have to hand, shine it directly onto your face, and wherever the light hits is exactly where you want to apply this highlighter. Now, for me, as you can see, the light hits here, also here on the brow bone, and also a little bit on the nose. So I'm going to apply it in those areas, and you'll see how incredibly pigmented and beautiful this highlighter is. Sorry, but how stunning is that highlighter? Just look at that glow. Honestly, I'm obsessed with it. And when we saw that it was in here, I've personally used this product before, prior to it being in the Easter egg, and I can honestly say it's one of the best powder highlighters that I've ever used. The pigment is incredible, and again, you can make it quite natural. The less you apply, the less pigment, but you can really build it up to be as strobe-like as you prefer. But again, I personally like to apply it in those areas where the light naturally hits, for that really natural, really sun-kissed, dewy skin. Next up is another makeup item, and it's for the eyes, and it's from MUA Academy, and it's their 10 shade foil and matte eyeshadow palette in shade Velvet Nudes. Now, what I love about this palette is that it's incredibly versatile, so you can make your eye look as natural or as full pigment smoky as you would like. It's perfect for any skill set, so even if you're a beginner to eyeshadows, this palette is a really good starting point when it comes to achieving a really subtle smoky eye, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. First off, I'm going to go in with this really light nude shade here, and I'm just using a spectrum brush for this. But again, you can also use your fingers for this product because you're going to be dispersing it across the entirety of the lid. What this does is it basically gives you a blank canvas for when you apply your much darker, richer shades. Next, I'm going to go in with more of a slightly darker shade than the original one, but it's still light enough to just add definition into the crease and the socket of the eye. And it's this shade here, which is shade Bare. So I used Stark to start off with, and now I'm using the shade Bare. And again, I'm applying this directly into the socket of the eye. Now, as you can see, it just adds a subtle definition to the socket, really makes the eye a little bit more 3D instead of it just being a flat shade. And it also just gives this real nice hint of smokiness coming through. Now, this with just some mascara is a really nice look, but if you do want to add a little bit more, this is where we can then go in with our third shade. Now, in regards to the third shade, I'm going to go in with shade Exposed, and I'm going to be applying it just on the outer corners of the eye. Now, as you can see, it's just really blended out into the outer corners of the eye. You can take it underneath if you want, and you can take it slightly higher if you've got more of a hooded eye. But for me personally, I just like a little bit on the outer corners of the eye. I'm now going to add a little bit of shimmer, just add a little bit more depth to the lid. And I'm going to go in with shade Tulle just across the lid itself. So not taking it any further out, just on this central part here of the eye. And I'm using my finger for this one. How gorgeous is this shimmer shade though? I absolutely love this shade personally on my complexion, but there is different shimmer shades in here depending on what look and feel you want to go for with your eyeshadow look. Now, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go off camera, apply my mascara, and then we'll come back to go through the rest of the Easter egg. Now, the next product within the Easter egg is from Collection Cosmetics, and it's their Mega Lip Oil. Now, this comes in the shade Crystal Clear, and I absolutely love the way this feels on the lips and how it glides onto the lips as well. What I love about this lip oil is that it contains 3 different oils. Now, within this lip oil, there's raspberry, cloudberry, and squalane. So it's ultra hydrating on the lips and gives this beautiful nourishment and plump appearance. Now, I'm just going to go in straight in with the wand, and you can see instantly how beautiful it glides on. I just love how healthy and how plump my lips look with this product. And I would say it's definitely one of my favourite products within the Easter egg. Now, we've still got 3 products featured in the limited edition Easter egg. I know you can't probably believe it considering I've gone through so many products already, but we've still got 3. Now, the next 2 products I'm going to show you are the fragrances. Now, we've put in there deluxe size fragrances, and we've put in there 2, so you can really choose which one you prefer. Now, when I say it's nostalgic, one of the fragrances instantly just sets off all of these memories from when I was a teenager, and I absolutely love the scent and still do, and it's J.Lo Glow. It also comes in a rollerball, which I absolutely love because I just find it so convenient to apply, especially if you're on the go, and it's a perfect size if you want to carry it in your clutch bag, your handbag, and whether you're on the go, like I mentioned, because it's just so easy to apply. Now, the scent of J.Lo Glow, again, is so subtle. It's got those beautiful floral undernotes. And again, it's perfect if you're wanting a gorgeous day-to-day fragrance that's going to really help trigger those memories. The next of the fragrances is actually from a fragrance that I have worn and still love to this day and is my go-to fragrance, and it's Ghost. Now, of course, you can apply this in the day as well, but I just think this is a really good nighttime product to be using if you're using J.Lo Glow in the day and you want something a little bit stronger in the evening. Again, smells incredible, and it's just one of those fragrances that just really gives you that boost, really makes you feel good, and it lasts so well on the skin. Now, the last product, but definitely not least, is that big. It didn't fit in the Easter egg, so we only put it in the outer, and it's from Schwarzkopf Professional, and it's their Volume Booster Spray. So to be able to really show you how well this product works, I'm just going to jump off camera, sort my hair out, and I'll come back on to demonstrate. So off camera, I've literally just quickly ran over the hair with the straighteners, brushed it into place, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Schwarzkopf Volume Booster Spray. Now, the best way to do this is by sectioning the hair off in large sections, holding it at around 30 centimetres away from the hair, and really just doing short bursts of this product directly into the root. And as you'll see in a second, it really does give you that volume boost. Give it a good zhuzh at the root, really work that product in, and as you can see, it really does add that volume and that boost to the root. I always feel that Schwarzkopf Professional products never let me down. We had the Sparkler in the limited edition Valentine's edit, and now we've got the Volume Boost, and the pair of them together are just an absolute dream if you're wanting volumized, really shiny hair. And there you have it, the full unboxing of the limited edition Glossybox Easter egg for 2025, worth an amazing £198 and includes 9 beauty products that are a mixture of skincare, hair care, makeup and fragrance. Now this can be yours for £45. However, if you subscribe today, you will get that £15 saving, meaning you'll get £198 worth of beauty products for just £30. So if you want that £15 saving, I'd highly recommend you head over to the Glossybox website. The link you can find in our description, where you can go to purchase this as well as subscribe and get that £15 saving. As always, make sure you review each individual product to get your glossy credits, and also don't forget you can refer a friend to get extra credits on your account. If you like these unboxing videos, please give us a like, a comment and subscribe so we're able to bring you these more often. But other than that, if you have any questions, please pop them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye.